In this video, I will show you how to enable auto scrolling for Instagram Reels. Once enabled, the next reel will start on its own, no manual swipe needed. So let's get started. Note that this feature works only on the latest version of Instagram. First, if you are using iPhone, then open App Store or Google Play Store in case of Android. Now search for Instagram and now tap Update if the option is available. Once Instagram gets updated, open Instagram app, tap on Reels icon at the bottom. On the right side, tap three dots. A small menu will appear and here you will find auto scroll option. Just turn it on. You may also see speed options like 2x, 3x. You can even choose the speed based on how fast you want reels to move. Now when one reel finishes, the next one will play automatically without manual scrolling. So that is how you can enable auto scrolling for Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.